And this is what the makeup is looking like. It is really cute. It looks super natural. Like, this is definitely giving summer makeup. This is all I need. So I got some new makeup from Ulta. I did a little mini haul. And so today I'm gonna be doing my makeup and just trying all the new products that I just bought. So the main thing that I needed was some foundation or like a skin tint. So I went ahead and got the newer skin tint from NYX. This is the NYX Buttermelt Glaze Soft Glow Skin Tint. It has a sunscreen SPF 30 and I got the color 8 Nutmeg Butter. So I'm gonna be trying this. I got another grip primer. This one is from Revolution Beauty. It's the Super Fix Super Grip Primer, and I'm gonna be trying this one out today too, just to see how it wears. So I'm gonna try them together. I also got a new press powder, and this is from Maybelline Fit Me. I got the Matte and Poreless Press Powder in 355 Coconut, so I'm gonna be trying that one. And also, I got another liquid blush. This time I got the pink one and coming in hot pink. So I already moisturized and everything, so I'm just going to go with the foundation. I went in Ulta and I did like a little swatch, so hopefully it still works. It was like a few weeks ago. I've been in the sun a little bit, so hopefully it still works. Oh, actually, we're gonna try the primer first. So I'm gonna put on this grip primer. So I applied the primer. It smells really good. It's supposed to have like watermelon extract and stuff in it, and it definitely smells like it. It is definitely grippy. Let's see if this sticks. Okay, we got a little bit of a stick. Yeah, so this is definitely a gripping primer. I never tried the Milk, but I have tried the e.l.f. I feel like it's a little bit more gripping than that one. It has the same consistency though, like the gel formula. So I'm liking that so far. So now let's get into the foundation. So far, it's a pretty good color match. So we're good in that aspect. It's giving me a nice glow like it said it would. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It definitely is giving me a nice glow. It's giving nice, like, moisturized skin. The coverage is kind of light to medium. It did cover up some of my dark areas, like around my jawline. It's just giving me a really cute glow. I'm not gonna stay this glowy because I'm oily, so I'm gonna add some powders and stuff. And I just may add a little bit more, especially like around my jawline, just for some more coverage. But everywhere else it's pretty good, and I do like the color match. So it's cute so far. It does have SPF like I said earlier, so that's good. But yeah, I'm just gonna blend some more around my face. I'm just going to add on my blush now that I have the skin tint on. So this is what the blush is giving. I'm liking the color. It's still giving very natural. But we're gonna put on the concealer now, like under my eyes. And then after I put on the concealer, I'm just gonna come back so we can start doing the powder and everything. So I added my highlight, and this is what the makeup is looking like. It is really cute. It looks super natural. Like, this is definitely giving summer makeup. This is all I need. I wish I can go out the house looking like this without putting on any powders, but I have oily combination skin, so I have to put on something, or else I'm just gonna be creasing and my makeup's gonna be melting off. It's too hot for all that. So let's get into the powder. I usually put my pressed powder underneath my eyes and, like, you know, just in the areas where I am oily. So I'm gonna try. I'm hoping that this is okay as far as it doesn't make things worse, because it's my first time wearing this. But how else are we gonna test it? Okay guys, so this is what the powder is looking like. It's actually not bad, and I feel like it matches perfectly with my skin. So far so good. I feel like my Black Radiance one, maybe because it was a little bit lighter, I feel like it gave me a little bit more coverage under the eyes, but it's okay. I just want to make sure that it doesn't crease underneath my eyes. So we'll be testing that out as I wear it. So I'm just gonna finish the rest of my makeup, meaning I'm going to put on my baking powder under my eyes. Probably not gonna do any bronzer today, but just add some powder blush, the makeup to the corner of my eyes, you know, just finish up my makeup and then come back with my finished look. Okay guys, so this is what we're looking like after everything. Yeah, I think it looks really cute. So we're just gonna see how it, you know, lasts throughout the day. It's currently 4:24. I'm not exactly sure when I'll be back, probably around like 10 something. So we're just gonna see how it holds up in this heat for the next 6 something hours. And yeah, I'll just come back with my final review like always. Okay guys, so I am back and this is what my face looks like. It's now 11:58. So this is what my face looks like after 7 hours and some change. So yeah, I think it looks really, really good. Even though I was in the hot sun and like when I first applied it, it looked kind of like greasy. I think it still looks really good. Like all of my makeup, my blush, I feel like the powder looks really good. I feel like the skin tint still looks very good. The primer that I put on, it worked out really nice. Like I think it all still looks really good. I just have a little bit of oil like in my regular T-zone area, but it still looks really, really good. I will say that the skin tint is like light to medium coverage. It's supposed to be buildable, and you can still see like some of my marks on my jawline, but it's cool though. Like it makes it look like skin. So I do like this. I like this a lot. So yeah, this is my little first impression wear test review of the skin tint and the powder. I've already used the blush before. Oh yeah, and the primer. So the primer, the skin tint, and the powder all together. And this is what my face looks like after. So yeah, that's my little review. Let me know if this was helpful for you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.